In this HTML structure, we see a simple style defined for a div with an id of my div. It's set to have a height of 30 pixels, a white font color, and a green background. Initially, the text inside this div is initial text. Now, let's look at the JavaScript part where we define a class called myComponent. This class has a constructor that takes element ID as a parameter. Inside the constructor, we access the DOM to get the element with element ID and assign it to this element. We also set this text to updated by arrow function, which will be used later to update the content of our div element. Within our myComponent class, we have a method called updateText. This method is crucial because it uses an arrow function within the setTimeout method. The comment notes the importance here. The arrow function lexically binds this, meaning that it captures the value of this from the surrounding, or enclosing, context of updateText method. Finally, we instantiate myComponent with the myDiv_id, creating a myComponent object. Then, we call the updateText method on this object. Because of the lexical binding of this, after 1 second the arrow function within setTimeout updates the text content of our div element to updated by arrow function. If we used a traditional function, the value of this would have been different, likely pointing to the global object or the setTimeout function itself, leading to an error or unintended behavior.